It's Haley, and today I'm going to be doing a dorm room tour. Currently, I'm a freshman in college, but before I came to college, I was obsessed with watching dorm room tours. So I thought I would film a dorm room tour for you guys today to show you how I decorate such a small space, how I organize. Usually when you come to college, you have to share your space with one or two other people, and it is such a small space that how in the world are you supposed to decorate and organize and keep everything in track? So today I thought I would do a dorm room tour to show you what I do to stay organized and just how I have our room set up. As a disclaimer, my roommate is not here today, so I won't be showing her side of the room because that's her stuff, that's her personal stuff, so I won't be getting into any of hers, but I'll show you what I have on my side of the room, and yeah. So without further ado, let's get on into the video. So starting from the door, this is our door. We don't have a normal like hall style or communal style hall. We have like outside is the outside. So like we have a peephole right here. But this is just the door to an outside, kind of like an apartment. But yeah, so this is our door. So starting from right inside the door, we have our radiator because this is our heat. We don't have AC, but this is our heat. And then we have a hook, a command hook to just have our jackets right here. And then we have a calendar. And then on this side, we just have two command hooks for our keys. And then when you walk in, we have our compost because our school is very green or tries to be green. So they gave us a compost bin. So this is my roommate's side of the room. I won't show her stuff because that's her stuff. But then right here, we just have a mirror. So then we just put these like little fairy lights around the mirror so that gave it a little zing. But yeah, so we just have a mirror right here. Also, this floor sucks. Don't know who put it in. It looks dirty all the time, no matter how much we clean it. So gross. Anyways, so here's my side of the room. So starting over here, I just have like a caddy, but I got this from IKEA. Wasn't too expensive, maybe 30 bucks. But then on top, I just have oatmeal, brown sugar, and cream of wheat because that is what I have for breakfast in the morning. And then down below, I just have some sweatshirts. And then down here is where I dry stuff if I like have cups to dry or whatever. But I just haven't put anything there. But I just dry my stuff there. And then I have garbage, and then I just have some shoes right there. Then right here, I just have this cork board that just has a bunch of little letters from my parents and friends and family that they've sent me while I've been in college. And then up here, I have a "You Had Me at Meow" sign. The goal was to put pictures of my animals around it, but I didn't do that. Instead, my mom gave me this like little magnet thing, and I just used a command hook to put it up. All along here, I also have pictures of all my friends and family and animals. So the bed came as a lofted bed. You can see that in my moving into college video. It came lofted, but I decided to make it the captain size because I wanted a room under the bed because I thought I would need it. I really don't, but I like this height. It's different than home, so my roommate and I both have it at this height. Then I just have this blanket, which I got from Home Goods. It's really, really soft. And then I have this body pillow right here. I got it at Target like 5 years ago, but my mom put this pink like fuzzy stuff over it because my theme is gray, white, and pink. So she did that. And then I just have a stuffed animal from home. And then I have a like a top pillow. And then I just have my pillow under here. My comforter is from Bed Bath & Beyond by the brand UGG. And then my fuzzy blanket is from Costco. And then my sheets are also from Bed Bath & Beyond, also by UGG. So up on my walls, I have a bunch of different stuff. So up here, I just have pictures of Harry and Sean. I had extra pictures, didn't know where to put them, so I just put them there. Then right here, I have my little wall collage. This is a sign I got from Hobby Lobby. It says, "She believed she could, so she did." This little mirror, it's a mirror, is from IKEA. This H is from Hobby Lobby. This cross, it says faith on it. That's from Hobby Lobby. And then this sign is from Hobby Lobby as well, and it says, "Find what sets your soul on fire." I thought those were super cool, super inspirational, so I got those. This is a picture of Harry's album cover. It's not the exact album cover. I got this on Society 6 on Black Friday, so I got it for a really good deal. And then the frame I got from Michael's, I believe. This is a frame I have up here of my family and my friends. I got this a while ago and I just painted it and then I just brought it with me. So I just put a bunch of pictures in there. And then around my bed, I have these fairy lights, which are the same around the mirror. I just have fairy lights up here. And then again, just friends and family up here. Moving on below my bed, I just have these two like pull-out drawers that I just have filled with food. So I just have like cup of noodles and tuna and Ritz crackers and hot chocolate, all the different kinds of snacks you could want. And then above here, I also have like one of those electric tea kettles. And then I have this little stool thing. I use this to get up on my bed because it's kind of high. So I use this, but then I also have storage in there. Behind my bed, I just have a tote from when I moved in. It has like all my stuff in it and I just decided to keep it here. And then I just have extra food. And then I also have my suitcases just to have them here. Here is my camera bag, an extra blanket, and then I have some like Izzy's back here. So that's what's under my bed. So right here is beside my bed. I have a drawer, like a drawer set from IKEA, which is like really popular. And then I also have the fridge and the microwave. So I got this because our dorm is like not a standard normal dorm. So we didn't know if I was gonna have a closet kind of thing. So we got this just in case. We ended up having a closet, but we weren't too sure. So we got this just in case, but it works out perfect because I'm able to put my fan up here and then I'm able to charge my phone here at night. So I just have my charger. I have a glass for water, and then I have a picture of my cat. And then in each of these drawers, I just have a bunch of different stuff. In this one, I just have like extra electronics and retainer case. This one has purses. This one has my flat iron and curler. This one is all my command hooks. We bought a whole bunch for move-in. They've come so in handy. This one has like makeup-y kind of stuff. So I have like makeup remover wipes and lotion and nail polish. This one is my cups and glassware. I have like medicine and band-aids. This one just has a whole bunch of extra stuff. It has extra towels. I have glue sticks, I have pencils, and then down here is just extra food, like snacky stuff. Then right here we have a fridge and a microwave. I got this fridge from my mom. She had it at work and then brought it home, so then I have it here now with me. We just have a whole bunch of stuff on it. And then we got this microwave because it's kind of important. So we got a microwave from Walmart. It wasn't too expensive. It does the job. Then right here, this is so handy. We took our extension cord and we command hooked it to the side of the desk, and it is so handy. I plug in my curler and we have a wallflower here. I charge like my headphones here. Like, it's so handy. Then right here is just my desk. You can see it all right here. The desk came with the room, so this is what I have on my desk. It also came with the chair right here. So right here I just have my computer, and then here I just have my makeup. So this is my everyday makeup, pretty boring. Here I have like extra makeup and lip glosses. And then down here I have pens and staplers and erasers. And then on top I just have perfume, my beauty blender. I have some hair oil, and then I have toner and lotion. And then back here's a picture of Harry. Then right here I just have my cotton balls. And then I have this really cute sign that just says treat people with kindness. Right here I just have this mug that I got from my friend a long time ago, and then inside it I have candy because my mom sent me a little care package, so it has candy in it. And then down below are also some like little hard candies. And then I just have a picture of Harry right here. I have this picture of Harry and then this picture of Harry, and I just put Kissy because that's what he labeled one of his Instagram posts. Photo booth picture of me and my friends. And then right here I have this little note holder. It just says note, and then I put my notepads in it. And then right here I just have some paper clips. And then back here I just have this lollipop from Canada because I went for my birthday. So I have a maple lollipop. Then right here my friend got me this ceramic holder to match the note one. So I just put like Sharpies and pencils and all that kind of stuff. Then I have this paper file. I got this from IKEA, wasn't too expensive, and we just put it together. It's pink. And then right here I just have a whole bunch of different books. To be honest, I haven't read like any of these. This is just, I have a whole bunch of books I got for graduation. So I have just these all right here. And then up above I have like my actual schoolwork. So right here I have my headphones, and then I have my fun pens, and then I have my planner, and then I just have a whole bunch of different books that I have for class. So I just have those all right there. Then up above I have my TV. I don't really use this that often, but like I have it here. And then I have a speaker and the remotes. And then I have this cute little calendar, super cute. And then I have my wallet, and then I have vanilla bean syrup, tissues, hand sanitizer, a sharpener, and a mirror. So in my drawer, I just have my hairbrush and hair ties and like a dry erase marker. This drawer is just a whole bunch of school stuff. I have an extra notebook. I have my math loose leaf book. I have extra paper, scissors, whole bunch of school stuff. And then down here, I just have miscellaneous stuff again. I just have a bunch of cups, and I have my oatmeal, my camera. That's just a bunch of random stuff. And then on the side of my desk, I just have these pictures of Harry and Sean because they are my two favorite artists. So I just printed out a bunch of pictures of them and put them right here. Above my desk, I have all these different signs. I have this one that says Happy Mind, Happy Life. I got this from Home Goods. This one just says The Best Is Yet to Come, also from Home Goods. This is an H that lights up. I just don't have batteries in it, but I got this from Michael's. This is a sign that says difficult roads often lead to beautiful destinations. I also got this from Michael's. This is a sign that says the dream is real, from Michael's. Here I have this like pot from Hobby Lobby. I need to put a plant in it, but I just have nothing in there right now. And then I have this sign that has the Nile set list from Tour that I got, and then I put it in a frame from Michael's. And everything that's hung up, I have it hung up with command hooks, or like these little command hooks. So that's what everything is hung up with. Then down here, I just have a whiteboard. This has come in so handy for doing like math homework and just like everything, writing stuff down. Then I have my backpack right here, which I don't really know where else to put it, so I just put it right here. And then I have these pictures of Sean and Harry once again. And then these are like our bay windows. Really cool. We usually open these two, and then this one kind of like leads out, like you can kind of see down there. So if we open this one, I don't know, we just keep this one closed usually. But we have our bay window right here, which is super cool. Then right here we just have another radiator. Since again we don't have AC, we just have a radiator. Doesn't get too hot. I think it's on the highest setting and it's not very hot. And then we just have our recycle, because again our school just gives us a recycling bin. But yeah, also I forgot to mention, this rug is from Home Goods. It's just a white fluffy rug. It kind of matches my pillow up here. But yeah, I forgot to mention that. Also, everyone told me not to get a white rug and I didn't listen to them. And they were probably right. It is a little dirty, like back there it's like whiter because nobody stepped on it back there because it's underneath all my stuff. But yeah, just a little pro tip, just so you know. But I think the rug really makes the room look like put together. It's not just like super plain, kind of gives it a more homey vibe. So I'll also show you the closet. So like I said, it's not like a traditional dorm. So this is our closet. It's like a whole separate room. So we have this like thing, so we get dressed behind here, and then this is my roommate's side, and then this is my side. So these are all my clothes, and then I just have some washcloths, and then over here I have my towel. I just hung it up with a command hook, and then back here I just have my shower caddy because in here is our bathroom. So I have my shower caddy, and then I have like toothpaste, deodorant, that kind of stuff, and then I have Bounce when I do laundry. This drawer is like socks and underwear and stuff. I'm not going to show that. And then this is just pants. And then down here, I have a whole bunch of random stuff. These, I just have some bags for like when we go shopping. I have an extra fan. I have feminine products. I have Clorox wipes. I have Tide. Here we have shoes. I only have a few pairs. And then right here I have laundry. And then we have our broom right here. This is our door to our bathroom. We share a bathroom with 2 other girls, so there's 4 girls to a bathroom. So yeah. So yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this dorm room tour. I really enjoy filming college videos. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!